Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is Java 1 Week 2. For this week, we were supposed to make some functional changes from our Week 1 app. Mr. Story gave me 2 functional changes and 2 cosmetic changes. The functional changes was to change my alert dialog that shows the collection to have 2 buttons instead of just the OK button, to add a remove button to it, and if that user clicks OK, dismiss the dialog. And if he hits remove, then it would remove the text from the dialog. So I did that actually in my activity Java. It was down here. I already just had the positive button already set here. I just set the negative button to remove last. I just wanted to remove the last object. I could have done just new list clear here, but I thought that was just a little too easy, so I wanted to do a little something else. So it threw an error the first time I done it, so I had to put this if there was none, it would just reload. It wouldn't try to remove something from the list that wasn't there. Then I just removed the last instance on the list there. The second thing I was supposed to do was make my static text support both English and Spanish. I done that here by adding the values ES and then a strings XML with all my strings translated to Spanish right here, as you can see in each of these little spots here. So that took care of that, the 2 functionality things. The rest was cosmetic changes, and I done most of that in my activity XML here. I was supposed to change my text views to buttons. I did that here. These was buttons, now they're text views. Oops, sorry. My edit text stayed the same. I gave my Android the black background color and all text to be bold, to text style to bold. I done that actually in each one. Text style bold, but the background obviously went black. We done our own to change our methods. We just done our own click. We left them the same and just made them clickable true, and that made them all clickable. I did have to do some stuff with the layout height on each button. Instead of matching parent, I had to just set them at a static 50 dp, and then the margin where they wouldn't lay on top of each other had to all be changed in the button. So that was the changes that I had to incur this week for Mr. Story. That was all 4 changes he had listed for me and changed. And I'll run the app real quick on my emulator to show everybody that it is working. Okay, here it's up now. We'll try to just add nothing. It still tells you must enter some text and don't disappear. So we're just going to enter TTT. We'll add that. We can show collection. It has the TTT there. The average length is 3 because 3 letters are T. Just 1 in the array list. So let's add 5 Y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll add them. Text has been saved. We'll show average length. Should have went to 4, and it did. We'll show the collection, TT and the Y. If we hit OK, it'll just stay. We can just stay. We hit remove last, and it will show collection again and remove that. We'll remove the T's, and if we hit remove again, it just resets the view, like I showed you in the code. And as you can see, I've changed the background to white. I've gave the background color white for my text views, and set all my font to bold. That has been my project review for week 2 in Java 1. Thank you.